Good morning, DJ. Good morning. Good morning. It's Thursday, March 20th. It's my mommy's birthday. Let's go. Time is currently 9:18 a.m. What's good? It's a great day today. It's a great day. And only because a queen was born today. Queen, top queen. It is a great day today. It's a queen's birthday. Love you, mom. Love you so much. I hope you have a great day. Um, thank you for bringing me into this wonderful world and for all your guidance and your support and for showing me the way. Everything I learned from you and I'm doing because of you. So thank you. All right, let's get into it, DJ. All right, so today I woke up at 8:02 or 8:03, either one of those. I know. Smack me. I know, DJ, I know. But yeah, I woke up at 8:03. It is what it is. I hydrated, rolled down my goals, read and meditated, stretched out and everything. So got everything done on my morning routine. So we'll take that. We'll take that plus. I just arrived at my desk really, I'll say like 8, 9:17. All right. Look late. I'm supposed to start 9:15, but all right, obviously I'm behind time. Had to do the things that humans do, and you know how that goes. All right, I woke up a decent hour, like an hour before I had to get here, and still got here late, which is kind of wild. But anyway, but yeah. As always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is my 2 bullets. Mental check-in, feeling pretty good. All right, excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1% better in these markets. All right, so let's go. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. So today we had high impact news come out at 8:30. We have high impact news coming out at 10 and medium impact news coming out at 10:30. All right, so we got high and medium and high impact news today. Okay, so it's an optimal day to take a trade. All right, so let's go ahead and determine risks for the day. I believe the last outcome was a win. Before that it was a loss. Yep. Okay, so we're staying at 4. So going into today, we have 4 contracts. All right. In terms of risk. All right, so cool, got that. Weekly condition, I'm in a sell program. Okay, so I'm anticipating the weekly candle to expand to the lowest to the downside. Okay, more expansion to happen, more expansion to the downside rather than the upside. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that weekly program. FOMC, not FOMC, um, Forest Factory when I have the proof because I have the recordings. All of a sudden now they got news on Friday. Some FOMC members speaking on Friday or some shit. Hold up, hold up. Oh, it was always there. It was always here. But anyway, they made it medium impact news over here. I guess Econo Day just be having it on there. Yeah, just this week, right? Yo, I just looked at this thing and it said FOMC. These folks here, man, Trump is speaking today, 10:40. Yo, man, this is a wildness. This is next week. I just looked at it. It's on my phone. It said somebody's FOMC meeting or something. Anyway, this is this one. It was showing as medium impact. But anyway, whatever. High time frame condition. Let's go. Dollar. Oh, let's see. I was saying that was a beauty of a setup there. I was saying that was a beauty of a setup yesterday. Dollars retracing back into the range after dropping. Okay, so we're retracing back into the range into this CB. Okay, take buy side into the weekly CB here. All right, we have a 4 hour CB nested inside of it before we get to Queensland encouragement. So if it's not gonna get to Queensland encouragement, it will be because of this 4 hour CB in here. All right, but like I said yesterday, we had a sexy buy set up, okay, on the 4 hour time frame. Key low, swing low, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap, and you can see panning out to the T. We also do have another one here. Okay, So let's see, could use this SIBI here, all right, to come up here, attack these buy sides here into this inefficiency. So dollar seems to be rallying higher, not rallying, well, retracing, not rallying higher, retracing back into the range of this huge drop here into this inefficiency. But still, I'm sticking to the downtrend on dollar until I see something different. All right. So at my current understanding of price action, all right, it's just a retracement into the range. Depending on how price behaves when we, if and when we get up here, or if and when we take this buy side, will let me know whether it wants to keep going higher and retrace and fill in these inefficiencies, or come back down and take these liquidity. So risk, we're still on in our risk on scenario. Okay, meaning dollar lower and NQ should be going higher, but they can move together. And we're going into MNQ now because that's our main focus. I didn't get to figure out what this is going on here, so later date, I guess. Failed to make it to the weekly CB. All right, all right. Okay, turned right around. Seems to be consolidating here. Came and filled this 4 hour inefficiency. It left a little bit of it open. Oh no, filled it completely. Yeah, filled it. Filled this 4 hour CB. All right. Now it seems to be turning around. As you can see, the wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. Closed above consequent encouragement, but the next candle shot straight down and closed right outside of this inefficiency there. Okay. So yeah, turning around potentially to come and take these sell side here and eventually these relative equal lows to come lower down here. So from my current understanding of price action, nothing's happened really to change my weekly program. Okay, I'm still in a sell program. All right, all right, all right. Let's go ahead and note key highs and lows and let's get going. And let's keep it pushing, keep it pushing. We watched PM session yesterday. We watched PM session. Yep. This trade actually gave us more than a 502. Actually, it didn't even come close to entry point when it retraced back up. Entry point was right here, still would have been in that bit, like somewhere. Like somewhere. So yeah, moving to break even and leaving alone, that's fine. So let's see what 1 to 5 was smashed there. You make I just said lose, mom. Okay, we'll handle that later in a bit. We've got 4 minutes till opening bell, so let's get key highs and lows situated before we do all that. I said I was gonna do on this one with the no sync, with the no sync. Stop 1 hour. Okay, put drawings in the right place there. Cool. Below this 1 hour chart here is just liquidity, okay? No inefficiency until you get here to this tiny inefficiency remainder. Believe me, go open. So I'm gonna be your best friend. With the time patient was I loved. Oh, yeah, man. All right, and above that and above price, I don't want to see this on this time frame anyway, so I'm gonna put it on the 1 hour and not and don't sync my shit. Don't move my shit, man. All right, so today is Thursday, so we want to see Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Everything Friday can bounce off this crap. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Need to fix that. Oh, this is Monday. Oh, excuse me. Everything Friday can bounce, like this PM session can bounce. Lunch can bounce. This can bounce. Unless it's fresh, it can stay. Oh, this is fresh, it stays. Fresh stays. We like the fresh. We like the fresh. We like the fresh. Yep, and that's that for that. Everything here can stay. You have the cell. Oh, make sure I have that. Monday PM session. Opening bell, kicking off right now. Boy, it's above price, so we gap down. Everything here is fine. Fine, we have another low right there, close proximity is fine. Fine, fine. All right. So we do have below price right now, or currently where price is at. We have PM session from Wednesday yesterday. Sell side, which is in line with opening range for the PM session. A lot of sell side down here. Believe me, I go buy you. Yep, yep. For everything, buy side, sell side, DCM's in line. Close proximity, leave it alone. Go Asia sell side. And it's not so long. Yeah, like this. Above price, okay, we got Asia sell side, which price is already engaged, but you never know, because to be a factor going into today. And above that, we've got London, which we've grabbed already. But still want to have it on the chart. Then above that, we got both London and Asia buy side, relative equal highs, right next to each other. Fondue, 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 fondue. That's pretty much it there. We got everything else covered. We got buy side and daily high up here. So let's grab that. Should we get up there? Okay, yep. That's pretty much it. Looking like we're getting a setup right here. Okay. Key low, swing low, displacement back above it, market structure shift here. You have a fair value gap here. So we're in there. Now, do I want to be on them? Nah, let's take it because it's got opening range buy side as well. 930. Let's do it. If it gives me the opportunity to anyway. That was gonna come all the way down here to that fair value gap. But that's now he's just doing too much. Because that risk is gonna be madness up here. Down here. 309. Yeah, I'm not doing that. You're risking that. 321. That doesn't even make any sense, bro. I don't mind demo trading this one. I don't mind letting this one go. It's doing too much right now. It's doing way too much. Coin square encouragement and opening range, new opening range, coin square encouragement, and new week opening gap, coin square encouragement is the draw because they're right on top of each other. It just did too much there, you know what I'm saying? It did way too much for me. I don't like that. It's a great setup though, but I'll give it some time. I'll tape read it. I don't even need to demo trade it. I'll tape read it. But yeah, we got all our key highs and lows on board. We're good to go. Good to go. That's about there. When we get up there, it becomes a part of the issue. When we get up there, is wait till we get up there. Oh, I didn't get to fix this thing. It's gonna be tough, isn't it? I wouldn't even know where to begin to fix that. Bloody hell. Constant encouragement of both. Existing home sales. I delete that, right? Yep, I deleted it. Not my trade. Let it go. Let it go. 'Yan. Ayan o, SL mo 'to. Ba't itong mabilis? 5 minutes set up as well. So today is my last day of trading. Oh no, Forex Factory just let me see if I can share it. I can see it back on my phone again. See, I'm not tripping. Why doesn't it say? Oh, mate. Right here at the bottom here, it says FOMC 905. Can't see it because of this blur thing, but is this one? John, member, yeah, William Speaks, yep. John 905, they put it as a yellow folder. Oh no. Oh, okay. It's irrelevant to me. This is not filtered, that's why. It's not medium or high, it's the other lower one. That's why. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Friday is my day of trying to make me like, right? So I could really get a cut on Friday. Could have got a cut on Friday. Mm, I would book it for Monday. It's okay. Mm, I want to change it to Friday morning. Debating. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Okay. Back up at not yesterday, Tuesday's AM session high inside of the 1 hour inefficiency. I like these kind of setups, you know. Might not want to fill in the open range gap today. Oh. Next draw is right here. Then eventually to completely fill it in. Wouldn't have been tagged in either one of them anyway, so low 852. Yeah, wouldn't have been tagged. Where are these two highs from? Curious to know. Hmm. Lunch and go. Let me unsync this back. No. 9:50 mackerel on the way. Upper key high. We've got a swing high confirmed. Got a market structure shift here. No fair value gap confirmed. So nothing for us to do here. Wow, candle's about to close. Potential buy here. Swing low. Trades back above a kilo. Fair value gap, fair value gap. I mean, equilibrium of the range. Listing home sales is out. Don't care what it says. Entering that 4 hour, 1 hour CB there. Also M15 nested inside of them. Nothing for me to do so far. Let's go high here. Oh, maybe only buying that could potentially happen here. Completely filled in open range gap. Back at Asia low. Range confirmed on a 5. We have these relatively cold highs right here, and these two as well. Taking open range on the 5 minute, 15 minute hasn't been confirmed yet. Got 6 more minutes on that candle. We have been consolidating around the new week opening gap for this week. Yeah, prices have been trending clearly. You can see consolidation. Cool. Oh, confirmed on the M15. Open range, that is. We just and I know St. Kill. There you have it. And get rid of the 5 minute one. Taken by side, let me get rid of the 5 minute one. Be careful, be careful, but not really. Mm. It show buy formation here, but we're all the way up in the premium of the range, unless price is coming to take these relatively highs. I'm gonna let this one go. I'm in no rush right now. I'll demo. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'll buy, let's see, more, the usual. TP1. This is where secondary account comes into play, right? For the ones I'm like, yeah, it looks like a good trade, but I don't want to risk it on my ends account. Secondary account comes into play. Oh, stars, baby, let's go. TP2. About to take London and Asia session buy side. Like I said, from here, it's the next draw. But we're too high up in that premium for me, really. So I let it go. No problem. Catch the next one. And if that's a flop, hey, it is what it is. Can't have them all. Yeah, I've got swing high there. It is the trade I take and it becomes an L. Just unfortunate for me in it today. That's all it's gonna be. Sure. Chill. Fair value gap confirmed. Selling -1.6 plus 2 there. 8. Key high, swing high, displacement back below, market structure shift. Fair value gap there. Potential fair value gap gain confirmed. I don't see any there. Yeah, there is there. If we get tagged in here. Could be a complete flop here, okay, because of the relative equal buy side above price. But it could leave it, come fill this inefficiency, and then come up here. That's a potential, but if it's not, hey, it is what it is. No love lost there. Order filled. All right, tagged in there. Set my stop. Most important thing is risk. Always. Should be 122 anyway. Selling, so set one buy limit there. 2, 2. 122. Everything good, everything good. Cool. I accept the risk that comes with this trade. I see what it is. 244. Order filled. TP1. Risk is now 183. I see. Maybe that's all it wants to offer us on this trade. It has that relative equal highs up here. That could be all it wants to give us in this trade. Still would be in this buy set up here until this low goes. This is still valid. So I said that could be all it wants to give us. We have to accept that. This one will be heading to TP3 there. Buy formation here. Confirmed. Yeah, might be toast here because this buy is still intact, and I would just got another buy to probably come and take these relative equal highs here. Clear draw on liquidity there. All right, that's cool. That's cool. That's what you want to do. I'm cool with that. Do your thing, chicken wing. Catch you on the next one, I guess. Porterfield. Don't just tease me, you know. If you're gonna take me out, bro. Allow that teasing shit. Allow it, bro. Stop being a tease, Ipta. Stop being a tease. I don't appreciate that here. uh, he's just gonna play around there and he's gonna come take me out. I already know the deal. Do your thing, girl. I ain't even mad at it. Ipta does what Ipta wants to do. Nobody can control that girl. Oh, Cameron Handy then. Handy dandy pandy. I'm just gonna crush my candies until I hear order field, right? Because it's gonna tell me. Crush my candy, get my All Stars candy up. And let's go. Yeah, it's just coming into this buy setup here. That's all it's doing. I already took that L there. I'm mentally ready for it. I'm on to the next setup, really and truly. Which hopefully, once it takes these buy side and takes this, gives me some more of a retracement back into this inefficiencies here. Order filled. There it is. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Let's close these bad boys out. At least it wasn't a full stop out, right? Take that. Take wins where we get them. Taking London buy side, but Asia is still intact. This trade's heading to TP3. This is why a secondary account will just ease my mind, you know? I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Soon as I get that, take that payout, boy, I'm getting a 50K account to go stupid with. All the trades I don't want to take on my ends, I'm going to take on that account. Because ends gotta be met. And I can't play with that. Taking both buy sides there. No matter what you hate, oh, in the ghetto we are chanting the sound. Something to bring when we touch the road. Before we touch the road. Psalm 23 before we touch the road. When the map, I will be trusting in you. I'm believing in my destiny. Yeah. TP3. Yeah, from outside of the club. Don't even get in. All right, we get a Fair Value Gap confirmed there. I'll be jumping back in this bitch. Thirty seconds on that candle. took a loss, so I'll be going back in at 3. Let's get that short tool out here. Minus 1 on this. 89. Plus 2 on this. 1050 macro. So maybe I should have just waited for it, but it's all good. It's all good. All goody in a hoodie. Preparing for this to confirm another fair value gap because I think that's what's going to happen here. So let's drag this here. Minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 2. You give me time to fix it. Second bullet on the way. 7.5, 7.5. Yeah, perfect. Might not want to tag me. That would be wild, though, wouldn't it? That would be a madness. Could be M5 set up. Anyway, this will be at half risk. 1206. They might not want to come and tag me in. Might want to respect this thing here. Don't want it to, but that's what might happen there. I got no say in that. No say whatsoever in that part. I've done my job. The rest is not up to me. I'm 23 before we touch zero. Before. Yeah, I suspect now I'm looking at it. Might not tag me. Nadigedo, we are chanting Psalm 23 when we touch the room. When we touch the room. Psalm 23 when we touch the room. We'll be setting up for M5 here. Like I said, might not want to come and tag us in. If it doesn't, just let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. Are you coming around this time or what? Don't waste my time. Yeah, I haven't seen 98, 96 ticks in a while. Stuff plus them 60 tick stuff plus. I ain't seen them in a minute. It's all 100 plus now. He's diddy daddling. He doesn't want to tag me in. I already know what's up there. Setting up for M5. I'll let you do your thing. Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready. Now, the dilemma here would be, would I want to get in a lower setup if it gives me a lower setup, knowing I have a higher setup? And I said to myself, I don't like getting on them lower setups. So I won't be getting in on the lower setup. I'll let it go. And I'll take my L and be happy with it. Be happy it's not more. For real. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. That is how I'm feeling. Oh, your mom. It's happening. It's happening like I said it would. It's like I know something these days, you know? It's like these days I've been knowing some shit. I said it. Yes, I said it. Wait, mama, for a minute. No? Hey. We're gonna get somewhere this time around. Red, final red, red, red. This one red though, does it make sense? What schmuck is this? Ooh, about to get here. Oh, this is the closest I've ever been. So close. Taste it. Get away. Looking for orange here. Yellow. Yeah, let's go. Orange here, bro. Ah, yes. Look at that. Yes. There's no way, bro, that they'll get me this close to F me up. Don't see any of it anywhere. They set me up for failure. Only one yellow there. That's about it. How am I supposed to get rid of all that? They set me up, bro. It's a setup. Oh, but this is like the closest I've got to this game. What more checkers? Fuck y'all niggas. How you gonna set me up like that? They ain't really want me to win though. They ain't really want me to win. Anyway, hey, I'm focused here. My dilemma is, do I let it come and tag me in now or just leave it alone? 125. Just leave it alone. I didn't want you to do that crap, bro. We just bought two of these at that point. Smashed the shit myself. What I had to do anyway. What was the point of all that? Wasted my 2019 gold coins. Jackie Potty though. Yeah, that's it for me, really. I be looking out here in a minute. It is what it is. And want to give it to me, it don't have to give it to me. Catch you on the next round. Catch you at the next stop, boss. Because I'm a boss who I ain't got. See. All right. That will be it for us this morning. Doesn't look like he wants to tag us in there. And I haven't like come up with a when obviously I want to be holding on to, right? Because still in close proximity to it. Oh no, is it too late now if it comes here? Is it too late for that trade? I was still collecting data on that. So I'm gonna wait till 11:30, see if it tags me in there. Shall whack it now. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Yeah, it's kind of making the decision for me, ain't it? It ain't coming out though. Yeah, it was really hard. Had to pay a lot to pass that level. Shit, that cost me a lot of money. All stars, I'm at the top, baby. Let's go. 11:30 coming up. Be ending it here. I'm gonna close that before I end it. You're gonna do what you need to do it. Don't pussyfoot around it. All right, that's it for me there. Trade performance review. I did well today. Showed up. All right, got 1% better in these markets, gained experience. All right, learned lessons. All right, love that. Learned that if there's relative equal highs right there and there's a set of forms, It's usually a trap. Sometimes it's not, but it's usually a trap. Okay, so it's all right. At least give me 102 before it came and took me out. Didn't take me out for a full loss, right? We have to mitigate a little bit of it first. But yeah, other than that, that's show discipline, all right, and not, do anything outside of the model, straight model following. I didn't feel not confident, but like it was already in the premium. Okay, I guess knowing that that was the draw, it was fine here. But we was already in the premium. There was nothing saying that Price had to come take these buy sides. It could have left it, right? So I chose to demo trade it. Fine with gave me three take profits. Half risk was still in that trade, really and truly. Looks like it's about to come take us out though. But other than that, yeah, showed up. Discipline, 1% better, followed my model. The trader showed up. She did her job, right? That's all. And that's it. The outcome is out of my hands. Got nothing to do with me. Why I fell short today would be my wake up time. Even though I woke up at a decent hour to get everything done, an hour before I had to be at the desk. I want to be waking up 2 hours before, which is taking me to 7:15, 7 o'clock, 7:15, 7:30, around there. That's when I want to be waking up. So, that's why I fell short today. In terms of the market, didn't fall short anywhere, really and truly. Yeah, yeah. Didn't feel the need to trade this, so I didn't. So, hey, feel no feel no way about it. The trade I did get in, obviously, got me TP1 and came to take me out. Like I said, I was saying it the whole time. Hey, this could have been a trade, and the next one again could be a loss. I accept it, and my heart is still open for the next one, right? So love it. How can I improve for next day, next trading session, which is coming up this afternoon, is just keep doing what I'm doing. Keep being disciplined, okay? Keep following your procedures, protocols, all right, and don't deviate from it. Don't let short-term adversity, let you deviate from the plan and the model that we got going on here. All right, so close. Well, I can't take a payout. I actually passed the payout point, but I wanted to finish today out, okay? Finish the day out, finish the week out, and then obviously take out whatever's in there. So whatever was in there when if and when today's done, if and when today will be done. After today, whatever's left in there, I'll be taking half of it out, okay, paying the trader, putting some in my pocket, and calling it a day there. But other than that, that's it really. Didn't get tagged in. Sad. Secondary trade, okay, obviously you can see it panning out here, but I said to myself, if I see a higher trade and there's a lower trade, I don't know. I don't know, but it's panning out. And that was actually the micro trade. This one was outside of the macro. This was a macro trade. So maybe. Well, let's see what it would have done so far. Entry was here. Stop was tiny though. I should have just did it because the stop was so tiny. Tiny whiny. 202 would have been hit there. Head into 302 now. A small stop like that. I ain't seen that in a while. I remember I was just talking about it, 65. I should have took that. That tiny stop, I should have took that. It's all good though. Yep, I'll be back for PM session and we'll see what that has in store for us. All right. That's it and that's all. Thank you, DJ. See you in the PM. See you in the PM. See you in the PM. TP3. Give it to them. Give it to them. All right. Okay. They are collected. Noted. Guess when it's like this, what was it? Yeah, I was like, once it's not getting above this mean threshold, yeah, it's not gonna come up here. All right. Then we had the 1050 macro trade here, which was it. Okay. All right. Noted, 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 noted. I'm gonna close this here. And we'll be back for the PM session. Ciao, hasta la vista, baby. See you later. Hey. Where is my thing? It won't let me close out. Happy hunting.